Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today's topic is for class 12th, and our today's topic is major opposition political parties of India. Dear students, in Indian politics, as we know, the Congress was the dominant party. However, with the passage of time, there emerged various national and regional parties in India. The first one is the Socialist Party. The Congress Socialist Party was founded in 1934 by a group of young radical and egalitarian congressmen within the Congress. Due to constitutional amendment in order to prevent members from having dual membership within the party in 1948, the Socialist Party was formed. Though the party has its presence in various states, but its electoral success is not remarkable. The Socialist Party believed in democratic socialism, which differentiated it from Congress and Communists. Number second, the Communist Party of India, CPI. This party emerged on the Bolshevik ideology of Communist Russia in 1920. Advocacy of socialism by various groups in India as a solution to the then problems of nation, communists worked within the fold of Congress, and in 1941, communists separated from Congress. The communists believed that the transfer of power was not true independence. Communist Party of India contested elections and emerged as the largest opposition party. Some prominent leaders of Communist Party of India were S.A. Dang, A.K. Gopalan, P.C. Joshi, Ajay Ghosh, and P. Sundararaya. Communist Party of India was won 60 Lok Sabha seats in 2004 elections and emerged as a major political force in the era of coalition politics. Number third, Bharatiya Janasangh, BJS. It was formed by Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee in 1951. Its roots begin with RSS, Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh, and Hindu Mahasabha. Bharatiya Janasangh focused on the idea of one country, one culture, and one nation. It even called the reunion of India and Pakistan in Akhand Bharat. The party's initial leaders include S.P. Mukherjee, Deen Dayal Upadhyaya, Balraj Madhok. The BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party, traces its origin to BJS, Bharatiya Janasangh. Number fourth, Savanthara Party. Dear students, the Savanthara Party was formed in 1959. The party did not believe in state involvement in the state-controlled economy and believed that individual freedom will lead to prosperity. The Samanta party opposed cooperative farming, state trading, and land sealing in agriculture. The party gained momentum in several areas of the country by merging various regional parties in its fold. During the first general elections, there were 14 national and 39 regional parties, and thus India emerged as a multi-party country from 1967 onwards. So, dear students, these were the major opposition political parties in the Indian politics. This was today's topic. That is all.